Yeah, they fixed my sink and it rained out here. But it finally put the sink in. And then it rains. They let you know. Yeah, I said then it'll be a cold day in hell before they came to put a sink in. Now it's actually a rainy day. Like it really rained after they put the sink in. I'm like, what? Okay. Because they wasn't gonna pass inspection if they didn't. But anyway, yeah. I'm finna go to the Kindle house. Hopefully they there. If not, I don't know what to tell you. Okay, that's a lot of unnecessary chirping. Yeah, I feel like I'm dressed up in the back, but it's not. They've been extra in that building for years. How you can tell these apartments old? Hold on, y'all. Okay. Oh, this sweet little girl. She came out smiling and speaking. Oh, that way. And I got water. Oh my God. Okay, now it feels better. So now I have fans up. Shit, yeah. Shit. Yeah, I've been over here for too damn long. It's been what, 18 years? 18, 19, somewhere between 18 and 20 years. I'm not smoking weed. This shit smell good. I don't know. Then I can stand here and inhale. Yeah, sure. Oh no, that shit stink right there. Never mind. I know my dude be right there sniffing. He's like, who? Yeah. I'm like, baby, come on here. Take my ass back in the house. If you don't know, you're gonna find out. I'm black, I don't mind getting my hair wet. I can't speak for every other black person or black female. But me, I can only speak for me. I do not like getting my hair wet. And it's already getting sprinkled on. But I can deal with a sprinkle. But standing out here, no. Oh, it's raining? No, ma'am. No, sir, either. But yeah. I will see you guys later. Bye, guys.